Is there a time limit for applying for a property settlement? If you are married, applications for property settlement must be made within 12 months of your divorce becoming final. If you are in a de facto relationship, applications for property settlement must be made within 2 years of the breakdown of your relationship. If you're unable to reach an agreement with your former spouse and you do not apply to the court within these time limits, you will be out of time to do so. You would then need to apply to the court to seek permission to proceed out of time with your application for a property settlement. You will only be granted leave if you can show hardship. I'm often asked, do I need to document the agreement that I've reached with my former spouse about property matters? We wrote the agreement down, we both signed it. The reality is, unless your agreement is documented in a consent order or a binding financial agreement, your agreement will not be legally binding or enforceable. If you do not formalise your property settlement in a way that is binding, your former spouse may not follow the terms of your agreement or they might change their mind. It's important to seek legal advice about whether you should or shouldn't document your agreement. A question I'm frequently asked by clients is, why do I have to pay child support if I'm not spending any time with them? The answer is yes. Even if you're not spending time with your children, you're still obligated to pay child support if your former spouse has had you assessed by the child support agency. At OSheaDyer, family law clients are offered a first appointment for a low fixed fee of $220. This is an hour-long appointment where people get some customised advice from an experienced family lawyer in order to figure out their next steps. When you retain us as your lawyer, you get an experienced lawyer and a team of legal professionals who also work for you. We have paralegals and secretaries who only work in family law, and we find this gives our clients great value for money, as a good team makes the lawyer super efficient.